Arrive in style with this 2008 Cadillac Escalade. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: pass-through rear seat, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, power passenger seat, intermittent wipers, rain-sensing wipers, universal garage door opener, floor mats, and steering wheel audio controls. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.